Firstly, what is leaching process? Leaching is known as solid liquid extraction, where it involves solid phase. It is a mass transfer process of extracting solutes from solid when in contact with a liquid solvent. Leaching is widely used in the biological and food processing industries. For example, production of vegetables oil using hexane, removing metals from their ores, gold leaching using cyanide, separation of sugars from sugar beets with hot water, and leaching of soybean oil from flaked soybeans. To demonstrate the leaching process, we conducted an experiment called extraction of beta-carotene from carrot. In the extraction of beta-carotene from carrot, the solute is beta-carotene, the solid is carrot, and the solvent that we use is alcohol, which is isopropyl. So what is beta-carotene? Beta-carotene is a red-orange pigment found in plants and fruits, especially carrots and colorful vegetables. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, which is an essential vitamin. It functions as an antioxidant where it neutralizes unstable molecules called free radicals. Besides, beta-carotene can also help boost our skin's health.
The material used in these demonstrations are carrots, chopper, 70% isopropyl alcohol, aluminium foil, spoon, and a glass. Next, I will explain about the demonstration of the process. First thing first, the carrot was put into the chopper, and then the chopper was started in order to chop the carrot into the smaller piece. After that, fill the carrot into a glass that contains alcohol and cover the glass with an aluminium foil. Leave it for 1 hour and notice how the solution changed its color. After 1 hour, the solution was stirred with a spoon and then the carrot was taken out from the solution. As we can see, the solution in the right photo looked much more orange compared to the left photo. This is because the right photo was taken after a 1 hour rest, meanwhile the left photo was taken after a 10-minute rest. Meanwhile we can see that the color of the carrot is slightly pale. This is because the B-carotene in the carrot has been extracted out by the alcohol.
So the first problem statement is how to achieve high extraction rate. First, we need to increase surface area of the carrot at contact with the solvent. Second is to increase the temperature of solution. The criteria that need to be considered for solvent is immiscible pair of solvent, good solubility of the target compound, poor solubility of impurities, and volatility of the extraction solvent. Next, the formula for extraction rate is equal to mass overflow solution over total feed slurry and solvent feed, which is carrot and alcohol. So this is the overall and component balance formula. So this is our process flow diagram where carrot is being put as feed and isopropyl alcohol 70% as solvent.
Okay, the next one I will explain about the recommendation of this experiment. The first one is leave the solution in different temperature of surrounding. This is because leaching process is directly affected by the temperature. There are some research that are comparing to different temperature, which is the first temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and the second one is 60 degrees Celsius. The study found that the highest extraction was found at 60 degrees Celsius, and also carotene was found to be high right after 10 minutes of observation at 60 degrees Celsius. The second one is longer time of observation. This is because there are some studies reported that the maximum extraction can be observed during the second hour of observation. Lastly is use different type of solvent like hot water or and so with different type of solvent we can see whether the solvent will be affected the leaching process or not. Lastly, to conclude this experiment, it can be said that the leaching process experiment was successfully done as the solution has turned from the colorless alcohol to the orange color when in contact with carrot, which it indicates the presence of B-carotene.